Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy and welcome to my very first Winx Club video. If you're not familiar with my channel, I love collecting and giving makeovers to my dolls, which usually are Disney, Rainbow High or Ever After High dolls. Very recently, I saw some Winx Club fan art where they gave the girls a more modern makeover, which really inspired me to try and get some Winx dolls again. As a kid, I used to own quite some of these dolls, so all of these are making me so nostalgic. A couple of weeks ago, I went on a Dutch second-hand website and searched for Winx dolls. And I wanted to share the first couple dolls I got and how I restored their hair. The first doll I got was this Stella doll that I haven't fixed yet. That did come with a top and dress that were slightly damaged, but she's wearing Bloom's shoes, which I was very excited about. To me, this hair looked pretty unfixable, so I expected to be forced to reroot all of these dolls. But I definitely proved myself wrong with the second Stella, that was in similar condition, but now looks like this. Her hair turned out so sleek and smooth. And even that tinsel in the hair still looks nice. I also got this Flora doll, whose hair turned out really sleek too. She does have a big bald spot in her hairline, which she already had before I fixed her, so I will do a reroot on her soon. If you want to see that transformation video on my channel, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments that you want me to film this reroot. The outfit Flora is currently wearing is an LOL OMG top that I tied in the back with an elastic band and a Bratz pants that fit really well. Then I also found this Layla doll, which, judging by her face, is the singing version. She's got curly hair that is pretty messy, so I'm planning to reroot this doll with the curly hair from the Doll Planet, because I think that texture will look really good on her. This will also be my very first reroot using pre-curled hair, so I'm very curious to see how that will go. Then my absolute grail Winx doll is this Enchantix Bloom. As you can see, I managed to fix her hair really well, and she just looks so good with her wings too. There is one of those beads missing from the top left, but I'm still very happy to finally own her again. I also tried to curl the hair temporarily, and I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. Then I also got this basic Bloom doll, whose hair was pretty messy as well. What I do to tame these dolls' hair is brush it out with a big brush until it's completely tangle-free. With this, I did get some shedding and hair breakage, but honestly it wasn't as bad as I was expecting at all. brushing the hair out leaves you with a very fluffy head of hair. To tame that down a little, I wet the hair with cold water. Then I wanted to brush the hair out again to really ensure that there are no tangles left in the hair. I also comb it out with my fine-tooth comb to prepare it for a boiling water rinse. As you can see, this instantly smoothed out the hair and made it very straight. I brush out the hair again, which is a little difficult the first time. So after combing it all out, I once again pour some hot water on the hair and brush it out again. This really smoothed the hair out so well. After that, I also brushed the hair down to the position I want it to be in, and once again run some boiling water over it to set the hair in place. And that made my Bloom doll turn out like this, which I'm very excited about. Then I actually also got both outfits for Bloom. And I really love her in her casual outfits. I really hope you liked this video and enjoyed this blast of the past. To see more of my doll makeovers and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Then also let me know in the comments down below which of these dolls you want me to give a full makeover to first, and what other Winx doll you're excited for me to get. Then to see more pictures of my dolls, also follow me on Instagram, @thedollboy. See you next time!